In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out or sign out from Google Drive in Windows or Mac laptop or PC. No matter which computer you're using, the process is the same because we're doing this in a web browser. First, open your preferred browser and head to Google Drive. The quickest way is to go directly to your My Drive page at drive.google.com/drive-my-drive. When the page loads, you should see your folders, recent files, and the familiar Drive sidebar on the left. If Drive asks you to sign in, that simply means you're already logged out. Otherwise, you're viewing the account that's currently active in this browser. Next, look to the top right corner of the Drive window. You'll see your Google account button. It's a small circle with your profile photo or the first letter of your name. Click that button to open the account menu. If you use multiple Google accounts, take a quick moment here to confirm which one is active by checking the email address shown in the menu. This helps you avoid signing out of the wrong account, especially on shared or work devices. In the account menu, click Sign Out. That's it. Your Drive tab will refresh or redirect to a sign-in page confirming you've been signed out. Depending on your browser settings, signing out of Drive can also sign you out of other Google services in this browser, such as Gmail or YouTube. That's normal behavior and helps keep your session secure. Signing out here affects only this browser on this computer. You'll stay signed in on your other devices until you repeat the same steps there. Any open tabs for other Google apps will reflect the change and prompt you to sign in again. A few practical tips before we wrap up. Signing out does not delete any files or folders. Everything remains safely stored in your Google Drive. If you're on a shared or public computer, close the browser tab or window after signing out to prevent anyone from reopening your session. When you're ready to get back in, return to drive.google.com and sign in with your credentials to access your files again. If you use more than one account, you can repeat the same steps for each one, making sure you sign out of the profiles you don't want left active. And that's the complete process. Open My Drive, click your account button, and select Sign Out. It's quick, consistent on both Windows and Mac, and it keeps your information